guys, it's me. I'm trying my mic. Is it good? Is it good? So, ayun. Hi, for the first day of my week. Today is Wednesday and this is my first day of the week. Okay, not the first day, but my first day of vlogging again because, you know, yung phone ng kapatid ko is nasira and then yung phone ko yung ginagamit niya. And then, yun lang. Yun. Yung phone ko yung ginagamit niya sa school habang wala pa akong school. Wala pa akong pasok. And then, ayun lang naman. Tuwing gabi ko lang siya nagagamit. So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi wala naman akong ginagawa sa gabi. Ganyan. And then, ayun. Tapos ngayon, dumating tong mic ko. And then, I'm so excited to try it. Kaya pumunta pa ako sa kabilang bahay para i-try din sa phone niya. Tapos, hindi siya gumagana. I thought sira siya. And then, sabi niya, i-charge mo muna kaya. And then, I charged it. And after that, gumagana siya. I'm so kilig. So, ayun. And then, napansin ko dun sa mga past videos ko, sobrang likod ko mag-video and I'm sorry for that because, you know, I think I need to invest for a tripod also. Pero ayun, sobrang likot ng kamay ko. Magaslaw kasi akong tao, so magaslaw din yung video ko. So, sorry for that. I'm gonna try to be a good videographer right now. Okay. Pero ayun. Hi guys. Wait. Guys, naglalakad kami. Papunta kami sa Kandalikan. Kasama ko si... Ang awkward ng vlog! Ala, ang tagal ka nang hindi nag-vlog.
Totoo. Kaya lang last mo nung ano pa tayo, nag-walking tayong pa-coffee.
Oo.
Yun na yun.
Guys. Hi guys. So ngayon nagpaplano kami, nahihiya ako. Paano to ma-overcome?
Kaya, dapat yung ano no, yung osmo.
Kaya
Ganun
nga.
pa lang eh.
So ayun, nagpaplano kami mag-rem. Ang pera lang namin is 100 pesos. Dalawa na kami dun. So, ibig sabihin, tig 50 lang kami. So, iniisip namin mag-shawarma kasi 85 lang yung shawarma dun pag solo. Tapos yung drinks, hindi namin alam kung magkano. Pero pag mahal, water therapy daw kami, ate. Guys, nandito kami. Open ba ba? Nandito kami ngayon sa Duran. Natupad yung hiling namin. Hindi kami water therapy kasi 15 pesos lang yung mountain. Guys, are we here to relax? Nakapost siya. Guys, tingnan nyo yung order namin. Ito lang na isang to kasi sobrang ano nga namin. Tapos etong, yun lang yung order namin. Bye. Bye. Hi guys. Pauwi na kami. Success ang 100 pesos namin budget. Ba't ang ganda ko naman?
Ang ganda lang. Maganda ka sa ganong part kapag mataas. Try mo nga. Diyan ka lang ha.
Gagal na ako dapat. Buksan mo yung mic mo. Di ba pinatay natin yan?
Diba muna tayo makikibidyo, okay?
Kasi nga nakarinig lang.
Ako na bahala sa electric guitar.
Wait lang.
Hindi ko nagkakilala yung crush ko.
Bakit?
Wala lang. Kinig ko lang.
Guys, tingnan niyo yung sunset. Ito.
Nakatakot.
Ganda, no? Joke lang.
Dahil nag-imping siya, yaw. Dapat yan.
Wait. Yun lang yung sunset. Wala pa ako dun sa parang ano niya. Wow, peak!
Ano yung mountain?
Can you? Ayan na, andyan na siya. Ay, sorry ah. Wait lang, buksan ko lang tong mic ko. Nonsense naman yung bili ko dito. At the end, nakita namin si Taco. Andun siya, bumibili siya with Uncle. Uncle Eddie.
Bumibili si Uncle, kasama niya lang si Taco. Hindi bumibili si Taco, gago.
Bumibili sila.
Ganun din yun yan.
Pero hindi namin nabili si Taco. Pero lumabas siya nung nakita niya ka.
Hindi ko nga pinansin eh.
Na-stop ko. Na-stop ko siya. Na-stop ko siya. Hindi na ako pinansin ate.
Alam mo, hindi ko ito mawawag.
Gagay, open ba yung mic?
Ito naman, i-open ko pa eh.
Guys, sisimba kami today. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, simba kami today.
Hi.
May mic na ako, guys. Proud ka ba sa akin?
Ha?
Hotdog. Proud ka ba sa akin? Yun si Papa. Guys, sisimba kami. Pero late na kami. Pero whatever. Bakit tayo late?
Dahil hindi kami maaga ko. Ay, mag-isip.
Umimik ka.
Hello, guys. Hello!
Huwag mo laksan. Wait
Hi,
lang.
guys.
Marian will try.
Hello!
Ikaw.
Hello!
Ikaw.
Hello!
Baho. Hi guys. We just got home. No, kanina pa. At ngayon lang ako nakapag-video. And hindi matatapos ang araw na to na hindi tayo nakakapag-fit check kasi minsan lang tayo lumabas and minsan lang tayo mag-fit check, I guess. So, here's the fit. Wait. So, ayan. Yung top ko is from TikTok. And then, itong skirt ko is from Ate Femar Closet. Tapos yung shoes ko, yung sandals ko kanina ay from kay Mama. Kay Mama yun eh. Yan lang guys. Yan lang yung fit ko. Guys, don't judge me, pero first time ko ulit sumimba after a year. Are you guys proud of me? Okay. And then it feels like different kasi dati, I go to the what do you call it? To the church every Sunday. Not every, but most of the time, na pumupunta ko lang sa church ng Sunday, nagsisimba kami. But yeah, natigil siya because hindi naman siya Luzon. Pero nung lumipat kami rito, natigil din yung pagsimba ko. Well, it's been a year and it feels like different. Feels like bago ulit ako ron. It feels like hindi ako pwede ron. Hindi siya yun yung tamang word. Pero it was like the guiltiness is nandun sa akin because, I've been calling out his name. I've been calling out like, please help me, Lord, please help me. Then, hindi man lang ako dumadalo sa kanya or even hindi man lang ako nagsisimba sa kanya or even like a prayer lang man, hindi ko man lang magawa. And then, it feels like, I'm just remembering him because of I'm in the downside of my life and it's hurt for him. I know. Wow, naramdaman niya na. But it hurts. Kung ako man yung makakaramdam nun, it hurts. Maybe we can say na sila naman yung maintindihan naman tayo. Pero alam mo yung guiltiness na meron ako. Like, I should have done better than this. Ganon kasi, I always have a time for him, but I always not make a time for him. And that's a silly for me because how can I call his name when I'm down and not remembering him when I'm up? Well, when I'm happy, simpleng pagdadasal lang hindi ko magawa para sa kanya, and the guiltiness is very, very, 100%. Kanina, I almost cried, pero pinipigilan ko kasi syempre, I mean, hindi naman masamang umiyak sa maraming tao, but, you know me guys. But ayun na nga, naiiyak ako, sabi ko, I'm just saying sorry and thank you, and I told him that I don't deserve na humiling sa kanya kasi, all those months na wala ako and hindi ko man lang siya naalala. And enough na sa akin yung kung ano yung meron sa akin ngayon. And yun, yung patawarin niya ako. I just talked to him all throughout the mass. Hindi, nakikinig ako din sa misa, but I really don't understand the mass because it's Ilocano. But nakikinig ako and nagkikipag-usap ako sa kanya. I'm also, ano ba sasabihin ko? Nakalimutan ko. I'm also feel happy because finally, after a year, I finally faced him. Even though, I mean, I finally faced him. Tapos yung heart ko is so happy kasi na-face ko siya. Tapos wala siyang, parang yung, alam yung hindi ako napilitan, bukal talaga sa loob ko. And I'm so happy for that because sometimes, kaya lang guys, sumisimba kasi napipilitan tayo. But this time, parang alam niyo yun, feels like kusa siya and my heart is so happy and so for it. And I'm just thankful to be there. The mass is so good. Dinamdam ko siya, dahil kahit di ko siya naiintindihan, dinamdam ko siya. Kasi I know that even though I don't understand the dialect or the language we have, connecting to him and talking to him is the best thing you can do. So ayun, the homily was so good kasi may mga Tagalog party naman dun and nakakaintindihan naman ako ng konting Ilocano. And then the father said, we have a tribis. I forgot. The bitaw, bagsak, and bawi. Ayun, bitaw, bagsak, bawi. Bitaw is para bitawan daw natin yung mga sorrows natin, yung mga nararamdaman natin. Kasi, hindi ko maintindihan yung Ilocano niya. Pero based on my understanding with what he said, what the father said, is parang bitawan natin sa kanya yung mga nararamdaman natin kasi he will settle it and then, bitawan natin yung mga sama ng loob natin sa ibang tao. Because when we are too attached with that feeling, so ayun, my mom called me. Pero ayun na nga, the father said is, yun nga, bitawan natin. Because when we are too attached with that feeling, we forget how to be generous with other people. Kasi naka-attach tayo dun sa sama ng loob na meron tayo. Diba? Sobrang galing. Which is totoo because recently, some things happened and it just puts some irritation, annoyance, or even anger in my heart. And I even forget how to be generous even though they are not the person na kinakainisan ko. Nakakalimutan ko maging generous sa mga pinsan ko or sa mga ibang tao na nakakasalumuha ko because I just hate how she or he treated me in that way. So that's why we don't need to be attached with that emotion. We just need to let it go and just proceed to our life because being attached on that emotion is such a waste of time because we cannot be kind to the others and we cannot truly feel how to love someone, how to love God, and how to love other people or even our family or even ourselves, guys. And then the next thing the father said is, bigay. Bigay. Yan. Tapos natin bitawat, ibigay natin sa kanya. Lahat ng mga worries natin, ibigay natin sa kanya. And the father also said that, even though walang-wala tayo or even though galit tayo sa taong yan, we still need to give something na kaya natin. Pero hindi natin siya ibibigay because we know na kaya niya tayong balikan, ibibigay natin siya because we want to give it to them and wala tayong inaasahan na balik, which is totoo naman talaga. And then, the last B is the bawi. The bawi. Medyo hindi ko ito naparinggan. Hindi ko siya naintindihan. Pero, based analyzation ko, wow, the bawi one is when we are not waiting dun sa bawi, it will come na lang talaga. Even it's good or bad, parang good karma or bad karma, it will come na lang talaga, the bawi. So, ayun, parang it says na just do the kind things, wow, just do the kind things and let God to your, ano yung Tagalog nun? Ano din yung English? Hindi ko alam. To lead your direction because, He knows it well. and He will give you something bigger than you expected kapag naging mabait ka, which is very true. Alam niyo, yung homily kanina, it's just parang bagay sa akin. Like, I just can relate, even though I can't even fully understand the homily, but, you know, it's really give me something that I wanted to cry. And then, they play the song na, yung Salamat. Hindi yung, wait lang, I forgot the song, but I will insert it here. So, I'm just so happy that sumimba ako at sumama ko sa kanila. And that time, I just want to cry. I just want to say sorry. And I just want to say how happy I am. And wala lang. God is good all the time. We all know that. And we shouldn't waste that. Because, YOLO guys, you only live once. So do the things that you know that you can freely, what? Freely be peaceful. Do the things na tingin nyo is magiging peaceful kayo kapag ginawa nyo. You know, I'm so grateful that I can have a moment like this, just solo and just talking with you guys, because life is unbearable if you don't start realizing things and reflection and doing reflection of what you did. Yeah, tama ba? And yeah, ano yung sinasabi ko? Distract ako eh. Anyways, sobrang saya ko. May sasabihin pa ako kasi nakalimutan ko guys. Sasabihin ako nakalimutan ko. Ayun, yun nga. Siguro kaya ko rin naramdaman yung yung irritation ko because of my period. However, it's not a freaking reason para maging bad mood tayo sa ibang tao. We need to control our emotions, but our emotions are still valid, but we just need to control it. Yeah, that's right. And also, ayun na nga, I've been socializing a lot of people lately. It's been a month, or it's been a week, I guess, na nakikipag-socialize ako sa iba't ibang tao. Since May, I've been socializing a lot of people that I really don't have a time for myself. I mean, I have a time for myself, but that free time, ang ginagawa ko lang din is parang nagpo-phone. So, I really don't have a time to realize things, to reflect on the things I really want to reflect. And I needed to reflect. So, right now, I just realized all things that I did for the past month or for the past weeks. So, you know, nakaka-drain makipag-communicate sa mga tao. And that leads sa pagiging walang energy. That leads sa nawawalan ka ng energy. Tama ba yung sentence ko? Tama ba yung grammar ko? Parang nauubos ka because syempre you're socializing with not a different people, with the same people over and over again. And it can also be draining because, like, you guys talk, you guys laugh, and then you guys talk, you guys laugh, and then you guys nothing, just talk and laugh. I mean, it's a good thing that you just talk and laugh, but it can be draining sometimes, lalo na kapag araw-araw nangyayari yun, lalo na malaki yung pamilya namin. But I don't really reklamo with that because I'm happy that I have a big family because, I can just talk to someone, even when I'm bored, I just can kulit. I just can, like, yung kulit, galaw someone kapag bored ako, ganun. I'm so happy for that. And yun nga lang, I just need some time for myself also, like to reflect on things I needed to reflect on, and para mabago ko rin yung way of thinking ko if ever na nag-aano na siya sa akin, gaganan sa salisi na siya sa akin. So yeah, this quiet place is a big place for me, a big thing for me right now, because all I needed is to reflect and to regain my strength again. Are you okay? So yeah, I'm just so happy to be here. I didn't plan this, but it came. Pag talaga hindi mo pinaplano yung mga bagay-bagay, nangyayari talaga. Yeah, you know that. When you expect too much, lalo ka talaga masasaktan kasi hindi siya mangyayari. And it's so funny because kahit alam ko yun, nag-expect pa rin ako ng mga bagay. And siguro, sobrang taas lang talaga ng expectation ko. Kaya sobrang taas din ang downfall ko. But, everything is a blessing. And being malugmok sa lungkot is a blessing also, because you can still know that you can feel emotions, and that's okay. As long as you don't give up, it's okay. We can rest, but we cannot give up. Yes. Hi. Hi, buhay. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na ang ganda pala talaga ng mundo. Wow. Ang ganda pala talaga mabuhay. Because, syempre, if you're alive, you can learn, you can grasp, grasp a new knowledge about academics man or even yourself, and just reflect on things and just look at the window and just tell that the world is yours to conquer. Wow. The world is so pretty, the world is so calm and peaceful just like you, and you deserve the world. You deserve to conquer the world. Grabe! Oh my God, I miss this. I miss yop. I miss yapping like this. Kasi it's been a while since I yapped like this. Kasi nga, wala nga akong time para mag-yap like this. I mean, may time, but I just don't find a way na magganito. But yeah, we're here. I'm so happy for me. Hi guys. Hello po. I've been videoing myself kanina pa. Tapos na-realize ko na hindi pala ako parinig. Kasi yung mic ko is andito sa may tabi ng phone ko. And hindi pala ako parinig. Para umeffect yung noise reduction niya. Atake siya na. At least I know na effective yung noise reduction. So, ayun. So, ngayon, na-add ko na yung mga dates ng mga vlog na i-edit ko today. Tignan nyo, ito siya. Oh. Wait lang, papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, nandiyan na yung mic ko ngayon. Ito siya. Yarn. Yarn. Can you guys see it? Yarn. Yarn. Yan. So, bali, 1 week lang talaga siya. And, this vlog, siguro mga ano lang siya. Not that long. Because, wala lang. Trip ko lang. I'm planning na guys, gusto ko mag-thumbnail kaso tinatamad kasi ako mag-edit ng thumbnail, guys. Like, super tamad, nakakainis. Ay, atake siya na. And, apparently, tinatawa din ako mag-edit ngayon, but we need to do this because it's for our future. Feeling! Sobrang feeling ko, no? Pero wala kayong pake. Sobrang sponty namin magkakaibigan, guys. Like, just yesterday, we went for a walk, but then, napunta na naman kami sa favorite hangout. Resto bar namin. Resto bar ba siya? I really don't know if it's a resto bar, but, yeah, sa favorite resto, keme namin, which is the Gram. Hi, sobrang sponty namin. And I'm so happy for that. Ito na nga, naghahanap ako ng bagong intro sa aking vlog kasi feel ko sobrang na-overuse ko na yung meaningful silence ng The Ridleys. Pero yung gusto kong intro is from The Ridleys pa rin. Kasi I'm a fan. I'm a very, very big fan of The Ridleys. I'm a Ridleys now. So, ayan na nga. Gusto ko from The Ridleys pa rin yung aking intro. Pero, if kinip ko tong meaningful silence, parang, if mapaparinggan nyo yung la 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 la, you just know na ako yon. Like, tumataka ako sa inyo, pero hindi ko alam. Pero hindi ko naman kasi in-own. Pero, favorite song ko kasi yung meaningful silence nila. I mean, kasama siya sa favorite song ko. Sa top 5, top 3, top 5 ko na favorite song ng song ng The Ridleys ko. Oh, sobrang hirap. Okay. Guys, comment down below. Sobrang feeling niya. Sobrang feeling, no. I just really want to vlog for fun. Kasi gusto ko lang enjoy yung buhay-buhay. Buhay-buhay. Gusto ko lang ma-enjoy yung yung life ko ba. Parang gusto ko lang tong gawin digital diary. Yun lang. Kaya, yun. Alam din ng family ko na nag-vlog ako. Tapos tinatanong ako ng kapatid ko mostly kung bakit hindi ko i-post sa Facebook para doon kita ko. Ayoko. Tsaka hindi naman ako para kumuha ng attention. Hindi naman ako lang. Sobrang harsh ko magsalita. Yung vlog na doon, sobrang simple lang siya. Parang paulit-ulit lang. It's just me, friends, like that. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Ba't ganun, nak? Ba't ganun? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na na yun, yung same people pa rin yung makikita mo. Pero minsan, syempre, kahit nagtatawanan lang kayo, nag-uusap lang kayo, you always need time for yourself, and that's what I really need right now. Wow. So, and I think, hindi naman ako introvert. Wait lang. Okay. May tanong ako sa inyo. Kasi, sa psychology kasi, wala pong tinatawag na ambivert. Parang there's only two options, the introvert and extrovert. So kayo, naniniwala ba kayo na may ambivert? Ganun. Pero kasi, sa akin kasi, we have a different types of introvert and extrovert, right? Like yung sa Korea, yung INFJ. Ano yung test na yun? Ay, wala pala akong internet. Basta may test na ganun, i-insert ko na lang dito. Atake siya na lahat nakakalimutan niya. Pero may test na ganun, di ba? Para malaman mo kung anong type ng introvert ka, kung anong type ng extrovert ka na, oh my God, guys, sila nyo kung ano yung nakita ko. I got so scared. Flashes ko lang pala. Gaga. Ay, sorry. So, ayun na nga. Yung parang, ano yung types of type of introvert ka, kung introvert ka ba na pwede kaya makipag-communicate, kaya mag-handle ng communication, ganon. So, ayun, yun lang. So, parang, nung simula na nalaman ko yun, yung regarding dun sa ang arte kainis. Hello. So, going back to what we are talking about, So, going back, yun nga, yung regarding dun sa INFJ, kaya INFJ ba yung tawag doon? Correct me if I'm wrong, pero doon sa test na yun, medyo, hindi naman nawala yung paniniwala ko sa ambivert. Minsan, I also call myself ambivert, but it's, parang hindi ko lang siya masuportahan ng more evidence because, you know, INFJ test, ba ang tawag doon? Oh my God, sobrang makakalimutan. Dati alam ko yun. Because of the K-drama. Because, I know. Pero ayun na nga, simula nun, yun. Di ko na siya masyado masupport yung evidence na yun. Ay, yung claim ko na yun. But, yeah. It's okay to call yourself ambivert. You really don't need to explain everything just to defend your your perspective in life. Huwag yun na lang pansinin. But, yeah. Hi, guys. May pupuntahan kami ni Casey ngayon, and, you know, kapag magkasama kami, alam niyo na kung saan kami pupunta. Yes. Just wait us. Kuha pa yung wait lang.
Situation talaga, parang translate. Ganon.
Guys, pupunta kaming Grem. As you know. Yun lang.
Kami na naman.
Yeah. Haan!
Shakti ka,
Ayun. Haan, Shakti kay ayat.
Alam mo, masyadong soft yung voice mo, kailangan mong ipa-hard.
Haan! Shakti ayatin. Paano ba, guys? Paano ba?
Haan yung shakti ayatom.
Haan nga Shakti kay ayatem.
Shit.
Joshua. Oo. Ba't kasi andyan? Ito yung order na. Yun nga eh. Kanina nga na nag-video ko, sabi ko, guys, mapupuntahan kami. Alam niyo na kung saan.
Parang walang kapupunta.
Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Save More. Ang plano lang talaga namin is mag-empanada. Pero nagkaroon kami ng papi dito. Sinit naman kasama ko. Patay naman yung gastador. Oo nga, no? Every mo kasama. Wala na. What if it's raining now? Mag-video ka ba? Ikaw na mag-video? Oo. Oh, sige, bye.
Hindi! Wala ka dyan!
Ano lang ako? Ano na ito?
Mga lang din ako. Isa pang point ka.